Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new group chat on Snapchat. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So if you like chatting with multiple people at once on Snapchat, then you need to make a group and then add all those people you want to chat with. You can hold a group discussion and share your stories with them. In a group chat, the limit is 100 users. So let me show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So first, let's open up your Snapchat app. Next, tap on the chat icon at the bottom here. Then tap on the three dots at the top right. Now tap on New Chat. Then tap on New Group. And then you should come to this screen. Enter in your group name. Then select the users who you want to add to your group. And then press Chat with Group. And that is how to create a new group chat on Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.